a special surprise. Do you want to see what I have here? I got in the mail a Steve Spangler Science Club STEM lab. I'm going to unbox it for you and show you what's inside and how it works. Are you ready?
Open this way.
You could sign up to one of these boxes and get it in the mail. In each box, there's a science experiment you can do in your home. And it's really cool because you have everything you need all in one box. What did I? It's string slime. Have you ever done string slime before? You get directions with your stuff. First, you're going to take these little pellets and mix it with water until it's dissolved. It contains calcium. And you take these cool colors, which is made out of sodium alginate, and you just drip it into water and see what happens. It's really simple. Take 1 cup of water and then 1 teaspoon of your activator pellets. Stir it in until it dissolves. Wow, it's already dissolving. Once it's done dissolving, get ready for the fun. Take your bottles. You might have to give it a little shake. You could do little droplets and make worms. So cool. Try experimenting on different sizes. This fat boy. How giant can this be? Oh! This is so cool because it instantly touches the solution and it turns into a jelly-like thing. So that's not even all of it. Watch this. I have a clear one. I put it in the water and it's gone. This is the clear one. The cool thing about this is that it does something really special that will actually blow your mind. Let me show you this. Take your clear and drop it in the water. Where did it go? You can't see it. Awesome. I'm going to make a ton. And you have no idea how much there is in here because you can't see it. Oh! Orbs that I made. See how much? You can try your luck with making a big sphere with a tablespoon. Just layer some of the colors and it will look like a bouncy ball if you're lucky. Dip it in the water with the solution and just shake it around a little bit and get it all covered until it gets a little loose, and then you can get a little ball. I made a ball. Isn't not like a bouncy ball though. So if you try bouncing it, it will be like an egg. See that? Oh,
Did you break it open?
no, just broke. It's like,
You want to try it again?
it's like a rainbow. I got a rainbow slug.
Well,
I got a slug. I should put this in my sister's room and scare her. Humongous. I think this is a great thing to do for a sensory bite because it's slimy and you get all of the different textures. It's just satisfying. Here's all of my creations. I got worms, I got tadpoles, I have beans, I have little spheres.
I have something stuck in my eye.
I have slugs, I have tadpoles. The clear ones are my favorite because they disappear. And I really like making the round ones with the tablespoon. Takes a little practice, but it's fun. It's even more fun when you share. Just go like that. Look at it. Oh, pop it all. Pop it all. Pop. Oh, look. It's a bubble. All in all, this is worth it. I love it. And I can't wait to see what other boxes they have. I can hypnotize you. I'm going to be here for a while because this is so much fun. I'm going to do more. I hope you liked my video and remember, smash that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe. Bye! Thanks for watching Talker Time. These are my friends. Essie. This is Babette. Ghosty, Ghosty 2, Ghosty 3, Ghosty 4, Noodles. These are my pins.